How to get regressions in the TI Inspire. First, you want to go to Vernier Data Quest. That's this icon. Copy the X and the Y data into the table. You'll click this graph icon to graph the points. From there, click Menu, 4 Analyze, and 6 Curve Fit. From there, you're going to choose either 1 linear, 2 quadratic, or 6 exponential depending on what you want for that regression. Enter and get the coefficients. Write your equation and given the found coefficients. The closer the r squared value is to 1, the better the equation fits the data. Modeling exponential growth and decay using Skittles. So our exponential function is y equals our initial value a times our base b to the x power. At the end of this activity, please write down 3 things that you liked about this and that you learned. So you need your bag of Skittles and a cup. For the exponential growth of Skittles, first you'll place 1 Skittle in a cup, shake it, and then empty it onto the desk. If the letter S is face down, add another candy and place both candies in the cup. Empty the cup again. For every candy not showing an S, add another candy and place it in the cup. Repeat for up to 10 trials or until you run out of candy. Record the data in the table below. For everyone's trial 0, you'll have 1 candy inside the cup. After recording all the trials, sketch a graph of the data collected in your growth experiment. After doing that, you're going to find a linear and exponential regression that fits your data. You'll use the TI Inspire steps that are on the other page. After you find your linear regression and exponential regressions, you'll find the equations first and then the correlation coefficients. You'll tell me which equation do you think fits best and why. Using that better equation, you'll tell me how many candies would you have on trial 100. Plug it into the equation you found and write the answer right here. Now for the exponential decay of Skittles, you'll start with all of your candies. Count them and record this number as trial 0. Place them in a cup. Empty them out. If the S is showing, place them back in the cup. If S is not showing, eat them. Empty the remaining candies and repeat the above step until you have 1 to 5 candies left. Sketch a graph of the data collected in your decay experiment. So after you have recorded all the trials, you'll graph each on the graph right here. You'll find a linear and exponential regression that fits the data using your TI Inspire. So find your equation and find your correlation coefficient. Whichever correlation coefficient is stronger, that will be the equation that you will want to use. Using that equation, how many candies would you have on trial 10? Again, once you finish this, write down 3 things that you learned from today.